Hi everyone, my name is Renee Baker and I will be your instructor for Mate 152 Statistical Methods 1. I wanted to introduce myself. I am a retired teacher. I taught at D.H. Conley High School for 24 years and I've been teaching statistics for 23 of those 24 years. I wanted to give you some information about your Moodle page, show you where everything will be that you will need to be successful in this course. So under your courses, right here, Mate 152, Statistical Methods 1. When you go into the course and into your Moodle page, the first thing I want to point out is what's in the course information section. The syllabus has a lot of really good information, and I want to touch on some things to give you insight, things I want to make sure that you don't miss. First of all, the calculator that you will need for this course is the TI-84 calculator. If you have one of those already, that is wonderful. If not, I would strongly encourage you to download one of the apps that are out there. If you have an iPhone, the Calculator X app is one that can be used. Just make sure you get the pro version so that it will do all of the tasks that we will be doing, that you will see me do in all of my videos. If you have an Android phone, you can use the Wabbit Emu app. So make reference to that on your syllabus. In addition, you will be doing all of your homework in a Pearson product called MyLab, which you may have used in the past. The access code you will find on your Moodle page as well, and I'll show you how to get to that in just a moment. One of the other important things is the breakdown of the grading. 20% of your overall average is encompassed in your homework assignments that are in MyLab. 50% of your average will be for your tests. 10% on labs, and those will be assignments that will be in Moodle that you will submit in Moodle that I will grade for correctness. They won't just be multiple choice questions. You will actually be working out problems. You'll submit them. I'll grade them and email them back to you for feedback. And then your final exam. Your final exam can be used to replace your lowest test grade at the end of the course. The last day to officially withdraw, and this is also on your calendar, is July 5th. So let's go look at the calendar. And again, there's a lot of great information. I strongly encourage you to read through the syllabus. The second thing on your course information page is the calendar. Now this allows you to see all of the due dates. You can see anything that is in red are things that are due, and all of those are due by midnight. Your tests, and they will also be in Pearson MyLab. You will be given 2 days. They will be open for 2 days, but you'll only have one attempt. Your homework, however, you will have multiple attempts. You can continue to practice until you get the score that you want. This calendar gives you a suggestion on how to pace yourself throughout this course. I would strongly encourage you not to wait until the night before the homework is due or the night of. I'm sure if you procrastinate, you will end up having situations where you don't get things in on time. And I won't accept any late work. Due dates are in bold, in red, and they're in 2 places in your Moodle, so make sure that you abide by those. You'll see down here for July, the last day to officially withdraw is July 5th. The rest of the calendar shows that you have your final exam. It will be open for 2 days, but it is due by midnight on August 3rd, which is the last day of classes. So this is a 10-week course. The next thing I'm going to show you on your course information page is your attendance quiz. Note again that this is due by May 31st. That is also on your calendar. And that is part of your homework grade. As you go down here, you will see, and this should be Vital Source, not Red Shelf, but this is where you'll go to access your access code for Pearson. And below here is a link to your website. So you'll go to the website. You will sign in if you already have an account or register if you do not have an account. Please, please, please use your Pick County Schools email address as you register. It'll make things so much better for me to download or for those grades to be incorporated into Moodle. Once you are on the website and you've registered for your account, you can see that the course ID number is Baker 7650. And the access code is right here where it says Inclusive Access Vital Source. You'll click there. It should open up to a page that looks like this. You do not have to pay for access to this course. It is already included. So when you click on Reveal Access Code, it should give you your access code that you can copy and then go back to MyLab Pearson to access. If you have any questions, please email me and I'll try to help you work those things out. So those are all the things on the MyLab page, on the class information page. So let's look at what a module looks like. Under Module 1, you'll again see the due dates for this module alone. As you scroll down, this Module 1 document is the document that I will use in my videos. It gives you extra explanations along with the practice problems that you will see me use. For each chapter, there will be one or multiple instructional videos. You can click on the video right in Moodle. I would encourage you to take notes from the video and not just watch it and then turn it off. You really need to write down the things that I'm writing down. That'll make it a lot more higher probability for you to be successful in this course. You'll also see these external tools. The external tools are extra practice and they allow you to get extra credit on your tests. So for each external tool that there is in the module, if you go through the activity and you make a 70 or higher, that's an extra credit point on your test. You'll see that there are external tools for each section and videos for each section. Down here at the bottom are videos to explain exactly what I'm doing with the graphing calculator and to give you step-by-step instructions. And you'll find those in each of the modules. A little later, your Module 1 lab will be uploaded here and it will be an assignment. The lab you will download, work it out either on your own paper or you can print it and work it out on the lab that I give you. But you will need to upload that into Moodle in PDF format. Please use an app like Cam Scanner or Genius Scan to upload those so that they can be converted into PDF format, because that's the way I'll be able to open them. I will grade them and give you feedback, and then I will email them back to you prior to the test date opening. All things are due by midnight. Homework is due by midnight, labs are due by midnight, tests are due by midnight. And I've indicated that as well on your due dates up here and where they are due. The attendance quiz that you've already seen is in Moodle. The lab will be due in Moodle in the assignment itself. Homework is due in MyLab and the tests are due in MyLab. If you have questions along the way, please feel free to email me. So that kind of gives you an idea of what each module will be, what will be included in each module. If you need extra practice, we do have a tutoring program, extra help. We do have a tutoring program through Pitt Community College. And if there's something that you want to talk with me one-on-one, please, I encourage you to do so. And you can set those things up through email. We can do Zoom, whatever works best for you. In addition, if you are struggling and you feel like it would be in your best interest to drop the class, just make sure you do that before July 5th so that that doesn't hurt your GPA. I hope you found this video helpful. The one thing that I will tell you that you will only know if you got through the end of the video is if you will email me a video of yourself, introducing yourself, that will also give you extra credit that will be added on to your final exam. Good luck, and thanks for listening. Have a great day.